Before we kick off the main presentation, let's break the ice with a quick quiz and see how sharp your brains are today. Question 1. What is the capital city known for its bustling streets and cherry blossoms? A. Seoul. B. Beijing. C. Tokyo. D. Bangkok. The answer is C. Tokyo. Let's move on to the next question. Question 2. Which traditional dish consists of vinegared rice and various ingredients? A. Sushi. B. Pho. C. Tacos. D. Curry. The answer is A. Sushi. Ready for the next one? Question 3. What is the iconic mountain that is a symbol of natural beauty? A. Kilimanjaro. B. Everest. C. Fuji. D. Denali. The answer is C. Fuji. Let's keep going. Question 4. What is the name of the festival celebrated with lanterns and fireworks? A. Diwali. B. Hanami. C. Obon. D. Carnival. The answer is C. Obon. Great job, everyone.
Give me that.
Do you know this country? Let us explore together. Let's check out what to do. Let's check out where to go. Let's check out what to eat. Let's relax. Let's enjoy the magic of Japan. Welcome to Japan, where ancient temples and neon cities coexist in perfect harmony. Start your adventure in Tokyo at Shibuya Crossing, a human-sized video game of pedestrians. Don't miss Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, where tradition and culture come alive. Next, head to Kyoto for postcard-perfect views and spiritual experiences. Experience the tranquility of Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, where nature envelops you. Indulge in Japan's culinary delights, from sushi to ramen. Even convenience store food is a treat. For an iconic view, visit Mount Fuji, Japan's highest and most famous mountain. Finally, enjoy the fun and food in Osaka, where the streets come alive with energy. If you want to know yourself, go and ask the people around you. Yoshida Kenko.